Hello there and welcome back to Steam It with Steve. Today we're going to go through the next part of our Code Combat adventure. So today we're going to go through number 5, True Names. Okay, so we're going to click on that one and we're going to learn how to get the enemy's true name so that we can defeat them.
Code Combat.
So this is when we're going to start having a little sword to go around and attack.
Move right.
And basically what you're going to see is there's two enemies. We've got a Brack and then we've got a Treg. So attack Brack twice, collect the gem, attack Treg twice, your hero must survive. So we're going to move right once, and then go into attack mode. Then we're going to move right twice, and then attack, or we could just move once, then attack, it looks like. It might be worthwhile just moving twice across and then going straight in for the attack, but we'll see what happens. So this is going to add, instead of just moving the directions, we can now do the attack method, and then by using the name as the parameter that we can put into it. So if we start, you should see how there's this new one here. So we've got the movement and then attack. So they've already done the first one for us. Oh, that's pretty cool. So we've got hero.move right and then attack Brack. So Brack should be up here still. Right. So if we click run,
Move right.
it moves right. They have a little sword fight. All good. So it looks like we've got to replicate this to get across to Treg. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go hero.move right. We're going to put a 2 in there. And then we're going to go hero.attack. And instead of any name, we're going to put in Treg. And we must attack him twice, otherwise we won't win. We'll do that. And then we'll go hero.move right once we're finished. Let's see what happens with this one when we run it.
Move right. Attack. Move right.
Whoop, maybe I should attack first. That's right, we had a shield. Cool. Great, so that's done. And then we'll exit and we'll go back to our main map. Awesome, so hopefully you picked up something with that, with the attack command. And we'll see you next time with Steam It with Steve. See you later.